Welcome to Seekhein, channel your gateway to a world of knowledge and learning. Seekhein, which means Let's Learn in Hindi, is a YouTube channel dedicated to empowering you with valuable insights, skills, and education on a wide range of subjects. Whether you are looking to enhance your academic knowledge, develop practical skills, explore new hobbies, or simply expand your horizons, Seekhein is your trusted companion on this educational journey. Nouns are a fundamental part of the English language and play a crucial role in our ability to communicate effectively. In grammatical terms, a noun is a word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns serve as the building blocks of sentences, providing the subject or object upon which the rest of the sentence is constructed. Here are some key points to understand about nouns. Types of nouns. Nouns can be categorized into several types, including common nouns. These are general names for people, places, things, or ideas and are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence. Examples include dog, city, and book. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are specific names for people, places, or things and are always capitalized. Examples include John, Paris, and the Eiffel Tower. Countable nouns. These nouns can be counted and have both singular and plural forms. For example, cat, singular, and cats, plural. Uncountable nouns. These nouns cannot be counted individually and are typically used in the singular form. Examples include water and information. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns refer to tangible and physical things that you can perceive through your senses. Examples include tree, apple, and car. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns represent ideas, emotions, qualities, or concepts that cannot be touched or seen. Examples include love, freedom, and happiness. Function in sentences. Nouns perform various functions in sentences. Subject. Nouns often serve as the subject of a sentence, indicating who or what the sentence is about. For example, the cat chased the mouse. Object. Nouns can also function as the object of a verb, receiving the action of the verb. In the sentence, she read a book. Book is the direct object. Complement. Nouns can be used as subject complements or object complements to provide additional information about the subject or object. For instance, he is a doctor, subject complement, or they elected her president, object complement. Plurals and possession. Nouns can be pluralized by adding s or s to the singular form. To indicate possession, an apostrophe followed by s is added to the singular noun, or just an apostrophe to plural nouns ending in s. Gender. Some nouns have gender-specific forms, such as actor, male, and actress, female. However, there is a growing trend towards gender-neutral language, using terms like actor for individuals of any gender. Collective nouns. These nouns refer to groups of people or things as a single entity. Examples include team, family, and herd. Nouns are the backbone of English sentences, providing the essential elements that allow us to describe and communicate about the world around us. By understanding the different types and functions of nouns, we can construct clear and meaningful sentences that convey our thoughts and ideas effectively. Subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and embark on a journey of discovery with Seekhein. Together, let's learn, grow, and thrive.